Hi, I'm Dan from Apex Autos and we're going to take this fantastic Land Rover Discovery Sport for a little test drive. So the car fires up very nicely, slips into first gear very easily, electric handbrake releases automatically, so away we go. We do these test drive videos to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away very nicely, clutch and the gearbox feel really good, through all 6 gears with no issues, brakes feel nice, steering feels great, so the car is driving spot on as it should. So you've got fantastic specification. I really like the black contrasting roof with the white, and on the inside we've got a really nice multimedia touchscreen system with the sat-nav on display at the moment. On there you've also got your all-important Bluetooth, hands-free and audio streaming. You've got DAB radio as well as FM and AM. There's a USB port, auxiliary input, so loads of different ways to connect your devices. Really nice half leather seats, although they're more than half leather, I'd say. The majority of them are leather. They're heated seats in the front as well. Dual zone climate control down here, so the passenger can have it at a different temperature to the driver if they wish. Really nice leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. Then you've got all your other essentials like your automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, front and rear parking sensors, power folding door mirrors. So yeah, just a really nice car, really nice specification, 4-wheel drive as well, loads of power, drives really nice, gonna make a fantastic car for somebody. Here we are back at base. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope that's been useful for you. You take care. Bye for now.